I have a letter to read to you from someone who couldn't be here today. Dear Representative Beauracas, I am writing as a constituent to beg you to keep the Affordable Health Care Act in place. The reason I couldn't be present at your office today is because I am at yet another appointment with my 20-year-old daughter, Emily. She has been diagnosed with a connective tissue disorder as well as an autonomic nervous system disorder, which both come along with various additional issues. She is a full-time junior at a selective college up north with a 3.8 GPA and 2 jobs, despite struggling with numerous health issues each semester. Yet she refuses to see herself as patient or a victim. I'm filled with admiration for her perseverance every single day. Beyond that though, she is terrified. She is so worried that when she graduates next May, she may not be able to find a job immediately, and that without ACA, she will not have healthcare coverage. And she is afraid that if she has a gap in coverage without the ACA, she will not be able to get health insurance at all due to pre-existing conditions. If the mandate for all to have coverage is taken away, we also know that the cost for her to buy her own policy will be prohibitive as a new college graduate. Her income is unlikely to be such that she can afford to put away thousands of dollars immediately to cover her own health care. Without being able to regularly see her specialist, this intelligent, determined young woman would swiftly become disabled and become unable to work. I am writing to beg you not to jeopardize the futures of thousands of young adults and others that are highly capable of becoming productive members of society with the ability to access health care. Before making any decision regarding ACA, consider those people and the financial impact, not just to them, but to the country, of taking away their health care coverage. Your attention to this letter and your support are greatly appreciated. Jill Switzgable.